Alright, so I just sprung it on Hank that I wanted him to try to do Peter Gunn 30 times today. That's a lot. We've done some 10 times in a row, and I've even snuck in 2 of those before, but I've never asked him to do 30 times in a row. That's a lot, but Hank's gonna go for it. He's playing some blues rhythms now, but he's gonna go for Peter Gunn. Are you ready to do it?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. There's 2. Good. Get your thumb in the right place.
Ah.
You did 3. Here, sit up straight. 4. 5. You're doing it, buddy. 6.
I meant to do 4 free.
7.
4 free. I meant to
8.
do that.
Good. You're doing it. 9. 10. You're almost halfway there.
I meant
11. Concentrate. Good. 12. You're swinging around a lot. Get in position. 13. 14. 15. You're halfway.
guys, I'm gonna play some, what I was just jamming, like what I was just doing the
16.
animals before this video.
17. 18. 19. 20. Only 10 more to go. 21. 4. 3. 4, no, 4, 3. You gotta see the 4, 3. 22. 23. 3.
I meant 4, 3.
24. You can do it, buddy. Hey, keep your guitar in a good position. 24. Wait, was that 24 or 25? It's 24.
I think 24.
4, 3. No, that didn't count. Okay, 24. 25. 26. 27. 28.
That made me better.
Yes. Hey. Come on. 29. And the last one.
Give me a second. 1 second.
Okay. Oh, good job. High five.
Ooh.
Anything you want to say to the kids out there?
Wait, no. I'm gonna fulfill my promise that I was gonna do some of what I was doing to get my muscles up in blues.
Okay. Great. You're going to keep going? Keep going. That's great, buddy. I'm proud of you.
So, guys, this is on YouTube, right, Dad?
Yeah, bro, we'll put it up.
Yeah, we're gonna put it up. I have my own YouTube channel.
Better day practice.
You might have seen some of it. Mostly video games. I haven't uploaded any. Wait, no, actually, I haven't uploaded any. So you haven't seen it. I'm gonna download them, and it's gonna be all done. You're gonna see them. So bye, guys.
All right, we'll see.
Make sure to slap that subscribe button.
We'll see you on day 22.